Right, I'm gonna look at the instructions. Well, you're gonna build it without the instructions.
Admin flat pack.
My nuts are flat.
It's not going in here.
Where's the other one of them, man? I got the others. Give me a wing it, boy. Wing me up, daddy. Yeah, no, it needs to come like way down. I know it does.
You know the Coraline hole.
No, it's where?
No, it's that. What's the, no, that's the fucking guy, you got loads of it, and you go through a little hole in the office. You know the one, Greg?
Being John Malkovich.
Yeah, it's the being John Malkovich hole.
I love John Malkovich's hole.
Have you seen Being John Malkovich?
I haven't. Ewan's told me I watch it about 12 times. You get a race.
You're it.
What do you have to say about that?
No comment. What do you do then?
Come on, Harry.
They got it. They got it. They got it. Admin flat pack. Yeah, I can. I'm getting as much use out of this intro card thing that I've made as possible. Admin flat pack.
You're both doing that in different ways.
Hi.
Oh,
James is doing it the other way.
it's coming. No, it's literally true. It's literally true. I promise you.
Just wait a minute. Wait a minute. Let me just...
It's literally true. Look at the tags
James
already.
is doing it that way.
I don't get to do it James's way. No.
You need to pick
What do you mean James's way? There's a way, and that's it.
Look what James is
Right,
doing. And I don't know why
hear what
he's
you're
doing
saying.
that, but he seems to know.
I hear what you're saying. Can I get it? No, it's not.
Have you got a...
Right, Ewan, I'm sick of your fucking shit already, boy.
Ewan's literally not helping. He's just hindering.
Come here, boy. No, it's alright, darling. It's okay. You've done a good job. You've done a really good job. No, it's okay. I can take over from here. You've done amazing, sweetheart. I'm done. Yeah, well, I would have been done, but Grace would have
You're still doing it the wrong way! Okay.
Doesn't matter.
It does. It definitely does.
Right, Ewan. I'm not being funny.
Admin flat pack.
I don't need it!
Oh, you said you did.
Yeah, I finished it.
Fuck off.
Can I have a different end? This one don't fit.
Are you sure you didn't just buy a chair? This is just a picture of a chair.
Great. I'm just gonna stick to the 50p. Neither of these work.
What do you need? A really fat one?
No, I need 50p.
Tom, that's not right, bro.
You're still doing it wrong.
I'm taking it out. Pussy.
You're taking it out wrong as well.
Imagine if I actually
It's out.
asked
It's
for your
out.
input.
Now move it. Now move it. It's out.
Move
What
it
do you
where?
do? Like that. Like that. Oh.
Alright, calm down. Everyone needs to just chill out for a second.
Well,
It would have been fine. The wing nut would have just been on a different side.
The wing nut.
Wing these nuts.
honestly, I'm a bit disappointed. I thought there would be more to this.
It can't be completely done, right?
Yeah, it's done. It's that screw.
I think that's-
Surely there needs to be legs on that side as well.
There's no legs on that side, no, because it's a fucking chair.
Look, do you want to see something really fucking cool? You ready?
Why are you putting it?
Imagine. Have you ever heard of 90 degrees? I'm missing a winger.
I've got a winger.
Can I have a winger? Can I have a go on your winger? It's not private anymore. I said the fuck I would. I did it.
Cool.
Yeah.
Get it?
You don't mind that? Head's too big. Sleep tight, Grace. I'm so confused.
Drink on the floor.
Greg, pass me the instructions. Let me just make sure James isn't retarded.
It didn't tip over, it just slid.
Let's have a read.
You can't read.
I'm actually having to
Take a breath. No. That's how it goes. That's it.
I'm just trying to think when you
That's the play. Chair.
uploading it.
Big chair.
Grace asked us to make a
Chair.
Chair.
You've made it.
Are you happy with your admin flat pack?
Very happy.
Would you hire admin flat pack again?
I would hire them for other jobs, but not this.
But not a flat pack.
Right.
That's very detrimental to admin flat pack.
There was 4 bolts.
That's something. Tomorrow I'm getting another flat pack, so if anyone's around.
Admin flat pack 2.
We're on that.
Make sure you subscribe to the channel and like the video and turn on notifications so you don't miss admin flat pack 2.
I'm screwing.